The Little Elm ISD Board of Trustees called for a bond election for May 7th. The bond includes several items to address student growth and add programs for students and faculty. Voters will consider a proposition for a total of $398.5 million, which is not expected to raise the district's tax rate. This bond is planned to include additions at Little Elm High School, such as expanding the cafeteria, the library, the construction of a new academic wing with up to 40 new classrooms, a storm shelter, a competition gym for 6A programs, fine arts, and career and technical education expansions. These expansions can increase the campus capacity for up to approximately 3,600 students at the current high school. The planned bond projects include the construction of 3 new elementary schools to address student growth at existing campuses and a 3rd middle school. Additionally, the bond will provide district-wide improvements to technology infrastructure, update playgrounds with new equipment that will increase accessibility for all students, added turf and shaded covers, and the renovation of the Colin Powell Center for the district daycare. The planned bond also includes projects that will update and renovate the interior and exteriors of existing facilities. Funds from these bonds will also be used to add an orchestra program for grades 6 through 12. If voters approve the bond of $398.5 million, the district's tax rate is not expected to increase. However, by law, you will see new required language on the ballot that reads, "This is a property tax increase." The district's tax rate is currently $1.43 and is not expected to increase if the bond is approved by voters. For more detailed information on the Little Elm ISD 2022 bond election and voting locations, please visit www.littleelmisdbond.net. Early voting begins April 25th and ends on May 3rd. Election day is Saturday, May 7th.